Waiver indictment, the assigned number 2024 GS 43689, charging Mr. McLeod with shoplifting under the enhancement statute. This is his 10th property offense. He is here entering a guilty plea with his attorney, Mr. Jack Barnes. In exchange for his plea, the state is recommending 4 years active time.
Raise your right hand, sir. State your full name.
Harry Benjamin McLeod.
Do you solemnly swear and affirm to the testimony of this court to be the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. McLeod, do you want to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
You got enough time to talk to your lawyer?
I've had enough time to talk to my lawyer, Your Honor.
You satisfied with him?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand this carries up to 10 years in prison?
Yes, sir, I do.
This case has not been to the grand jury. You signed, you want to waive that. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
If you want to appeal this, you got to do it in 10 days.
Yes, sir.
Look.
Yes, Your Honor. On April 18th, 2024, at Piggly Wiggly on Calhoun Street in the city of Sumter, Mr. McLeod did take and carry away merchandise valued at $5.11 with the intention of depriving the store of the possession of the goods without paying the full retail value. As I said, Your Honor, he has a lengthy criminal history that I'm happy to pass up, but this is his 10th property offense. He's got a lot of public disorderly conduct charges, but multiple shopliftings. This should be number 10, Your Honor.
Okay.
I believe he got 4 years last time. So we are here again. We had offered 5 years, but after speaking with his very competent attorney, Mr. Jack Barnes, we were willing to offer the 4 years again for a shoplifting.
Okay. Those facts correct, Mr. McLeod?
Yes, sir.
I find as a factual basis your plea is being voluntarily entered into. You've had advice of competent counsel and you will tell me satisfied. I'll accept your plea. Mr. Barnes?
Thank you, Your Honor. We appreciate you following the recommendation. Just for some context, Your Honor, Mr. McLeod has a long-standing alcohol problem, which is what led him to this situation. After he gets out, I don't know whether you can assign him to or ask that he be assigned to ATU. Truthfully, with 4 years, I don't know whether he'll get into ATU or not.
He told me it was as long as I gave him 3 years, they would make it.
Okay.
Okay. All right, as soon as you commit a state department correction for a term of 4 years, I'm recommending ATU. How much time is he getting credit for?
90 days.
Okay. And I'll give you 90-day credit. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, this is the state of South Carolina versus Corteria Singleton. Waiver indictment with the assigned number 2024 GS 43734, charging Ms. Singleton with shoplifting under the enhancement statute. She is present with her attorney, Ray Chandler. We are asking for a probationary sentence with restitution for the items that were stolen. She does have prior convictions, 2 or more prior convictions for shoplifting. The value of the goods was over $2,000. She's here present with her attorney, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, man. State your full name. Do you solemnly swear and affirm to the testimony of this court to be the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you.
What is the restitution?
Your Honor, it's $3,000.
Okay. Ms. Singleton, you want to plead guilty?
Yes.
You had enough time to talk to your attorney?
Yes.
You satisfied with him?
Yes.
You understand this carries up to 10 years in prison?
Yes.
You under the influence today?
No, sir.
Got any mental disease?
No, sir.
This case has not been presented to the grand jury. You want to waive that?
Yes, sir.
You want to appeal this, you got to do it in 10 days. So let's tell me what happened.
Yes, Your Honor. On December 19th, 2023, officers responded to Ulta Beauty at 1288 Broad Street. The store manager was able to identify that assorted perfumes and other beauty items valued at $3,000 were taken from the store by Miss Corteria Singleton. She took them, depriving the merchant of the possession of the merchandise without paying the full retail value. The defendant was captured on video surveillance committing the act. She does have 2 or more prior convictions for shoplifting. She also has a defrauding a boarding house from 2021. Excuse me, Your Honor. Shoplifting 2 counts from April 2022. She has a indulgence. It appears she has some pending charges, I believe, in Charleston County as well for shoplifting. So this is her third offense, Your Honor, but she also has pending shopliftings in another county. We would ask for a no trespass at this door as well.
Okay. Those facts correct, Ms. Singleton?
Yes, sir.
I find as a factual basis for your plea freely and voluntarily and then to, you've had advice of competent counsel, whom you tell me is satisfied. I'll accept your plea. Mr. Chairman?
We would appreciate your honoring the recommendation. Let me kind of advise the court where we are in this. Ms. McElveen and I agreed 2 terms ago to combine all of her charges, and with the deputy solicitor's consent over in Florence, we took a pending charge from over there, and she pled guilty to them. Unbeknownst to us, this warrant was laying out there and did not get wrapped up in that plea. And so what we're doing now is we're trying, this should have been done, and she would have been released to go to Charleston to handle that matter down there. So I'm just kind of retrograding this one in, and we would ask for the probationary sentence so she can go clear up this other matter in Charleston.
So the recommendation, 4 years probation and restitution.
Yes, sir. And no trespass.
And does she need 5 years and pick up the $3,000? I mean, the longer I give, the smaller the payments.
That's it. I think it's 5 years and beat up.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The sentence you committed State Department credits for a term of 5 years. That sentence is suspended, you placed on probation for 5 years. Special conditions probation, you pay restitution amount of $3,000. Is she entitled to any, and you can pick up your probation, is she entitled to any jail time on this?
Yes, she's been in jail for 4 months.
So March 16th, 2024. Your Honor, I can get you an exact date. I know you need to put it on there. Your Honor, Mr. Barnes is kindly assisting with the full day count.
125 days.
Okay.
And Your Honor, she can no longer go into Old Town.
Right.
I think you said
And
that.
you can't go back into that store, you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
This is Christian News TY. I'm Tony Conyers. If there are any newsworthy events, we will get them to you as soon as possible. If not, you can follow us on Christian News TY Facebook. You can follow us on YouTube, and you can follow us on our website.